Traders, August 29, 2018. It's after the market close. It's a Wednesday. Going to provide you guys an update trading report on ISBG. Reported on her a few days back, doing another report. Nothing really has changed. I mean, pretty much it's still in the same range when I report her after she broke this downtrend. She does look like she's heading higher. You know, it definitely may take some time, but I honestly believe this is the lowest point. Moving forward, this is her bottom, and she's heading higher. Just providing an update for all the individuals that's in ISBG. I still think she looks good. You know, with time, she can do something great, but it's a little too early in the game. But it's definitely, in my opinion, it's definitely a bottom, and she should head higher soon. We'll see what happens moving forward. Remember, if you want to follow me on Twitter, you can do so at Trading Teacher. If you want to learn the live trading markets language, visit my site. Go to thetradingteacher.com, and you can actually learn how the trading markets work live with myself.